Fuck! I guess I've cleaned up by that fucking Mustang. Fuck! Oh, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. He totally lost it, and he kept his foot in and just went straight in the side of it. For fuck's sake. Yeah, the car's fucked its damn on full throttle. No, it's stuck on full throttle. Yeah, it's stuck on full throttle.
minutes, 48.17 seconds.
Missy?
I don't think you're going to be back out on the track today. Both of your wheels are fucking pointed inwards.
Oh, fucking idiot. There you go.
Just confirm you fit your isolator for me.
What?
Confirm you fit your isolator.
Yeah.
Thank you. Just going to try and open your door here, mate.
Okay.
Okay, and we're going to hit your window net. We'll get you to stay in the car though,
Yep.
until medical arrive. Talk me through what happened.
Well, he's lost it. He's
So-
come around and he started to slide a little bit.
Yep,
So I got and he's inside,
yep,
and then he's gone around and then he's booted it again.
right.
Yeah, and it's just gone poof, straight in.
Yeah, okay. The medical are here, they're going to have a chat with you.
Fucking idiot. There you go.
Hello.
Hey mate. What's your name?
Lindsay.
Lindsay. I'm Nick. This is Zach. Any pain or anything in your neck, Lindsay?
No.
Nothing?
No.
We're going to get you out of the car. You're going to come back with us.
Yeah.
Then guys are going to take care of the car for you.
Gotta go in the ambulance. Gotta go in the ambulance.
Good? Good, Lindsay?